name is Bivens. I work in LASA, which stands for Linear Asset Support Administration. My job title is a field specialist. My job function is to I operate the tele-inspection TV cameras. It's closed-circuit TV cameras. We do inspections on all the assets, sanitary, storm, and also some of the pump stations to where we gather data, check the integrity of different lines. We also create work orders so that the crews can do their pump repairs and they can mitigate any issues that we find in the systems. Well, here we have what is called a lamp 2 camera. The lamp 2 camera is also it's available to do the daily work inspections, to where if there is a backup at a residential property, we can actually get footage and data on the main lines, which is the main sewer assets. And then there's a lateral camera, secondary camera, that we're able to launch into the SSLs, which we call the service lines, the sanitary service lines. And we can actually get in this high definition, we can actually locate and pinpoint the source of the problem. We can mark it. Yes, sir, we're going to mark it so we can do a manhole raise on it. And also turn it over to where the crews know exactly where they need to address the issue. If you're a gamer and you play Xbox, if you play PlayStation, it's a similar remote that operates the camera. There's an analog button that we use to propel it down the sewer lines or down the storm lines. And then there's also other buttons that actually operate other functions of the camera. The camera is pretty sophisticated. We can zoom in, we can zoom out. We can also operate as far as the focus. We can change different screens on the camera to look at what the main camera is looking at. Then we can also switch over to a secondary camera where we can see where we are in the lateral lines, to where we are addressing any issues, whether it's roots, a damaged, collapsed pipe, or whatever the integrity of the line is. So my scope of work starts in-house in the office. Supervisors actually assign jobs and actually assign responsibilities of what your task is for that day. Then the work is actually generated through a database, which I can access inside my computer, which I have a cubicle inside my van, and I can actually go in there and I actually coordinate my jobs for the day. And that is inclusive with equipment, well as staffing. So we have a particular route, just like a mailman. You have a route where you want to deliver your mail, everybody gets their mail. Sort of the same here as we perform our daily jobs as a field specialist. Well, with the customers, it actually gives them assurance. As I said, they're ratepayers. What we establish is a confidence and assurance that MSD is supplying them with the greatest service as far as dealing with sanitation, sanitary sewer system water, clean water, which is storm water, and assets to make sure that their community is safe. My favorite part about this job is that it's a job where you're out in the field, you actually get to see areas of all around the city, the county. It gives us the view of the spectrum of what MSD does outside, and how important just what I do is that propels every department at our agency. Every day you see something similar but yet different, and it just gives you a greater understanding about what MSD is responsible for and how important it is to our community to provide this service.